Hi, welcome to the channel. If this is your first time, kindly hit the subscribe button down below. It will surely help the channel grow. For today's video, I'll teach you how to link a local bank account to your Wirex card and be able to deposit funds easily to your account. To add a local bank account, tap on plus button. Under Add Funds, you'll see all the link cards. To add a new card, tap on Link New Card. Wirex card support Visa and MasterCard. You can buy cryptocurrency with your local bank card. Just link it to your Wirex account. To link, click on Link Card. And then it will ask you to scan your card or enter details manually. Let me do the manual. Input your bank details correctly. As for me, I'll be using my PayMaya virtual card, as most of the local bank here in the Philippines is pretty strict with cryptocurrency. If you don't have yet PayMaya account, check video description for the sign up link. You can also use Gcash or any virtual cards as most bank doesn't support crypto purchases. Alright, to get your PayMaya card details, tap on My Card on the lower left corner. And then tap on Online Payment Card Number. And View Card to show card details. Now, I have the card details. Let me go back to Wirex app and input my card details. Once you've added a card successfully, you will see a confirmation needed like this. If you use a local bank, you can check your transaction statement on your online banking. As for me, since I've used virtual card, they'll send me a text message with a 4-digit PIN. The activation code will be the last 4-digit after Wirex, which is 5125. And you'll receive the text message real-time upon adding your card details. Let me go back to Wirex app and input 4-digit PIN activation to link my virtual card. Tap Confirm Link Cards. Click on the card you've just added. You'll also see here an instruction in getting your 4-digit PIN to verify your card. Next is click on Confirm Link Card. Input the 4-digit PIN and tap Confirm. After verifying your card, it should show like this. You will see here I have failed attempts as I've been trying my local bank with no success. This is why it would be best to use virtual cards here in the Philippines, but for other countries, if your local bank allow cryptocurrency purchases, you just have to get the code on your card statement or call the bank to allow transaction. And to test if PayMaya really works, I tried purchasing Wirex token and gladly it worked. That's all for this video. If you have questions, feel free to comment down below. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more cryptocurrency video tutorial.